Alright, we're doing this. Wow. You're gonna go this way? It's steep. Yeah, I think that way. I don't know if you can do that. Okay, so go this way. I am. You see how you were sliding? You were sliding. Yeah, I guess you're gonna have to go that way, yeah. Go this way, Dick. Take it out this way. Steer to the left. That way you, and go slow. There you go. Because that's where, good job. And go slow there. Yep. Very good. The trailer's not, it's fine right now. Okay, I'll try my best. No pressure, yeah. Yeah. It's really going to you gotta hurry up. I guess it's gonna slide. Good job.